You're
Right.
connected to those people. So part of the strategy outside of what we're going to talk about today is a communication strategy. You want to re-engage these folks over time, right? I wouldn't suggest sending a mass message. I would suggest, going through and maybe, if you have an assistant that works with you, going through and communicating with each and every one of your connections. Now, it's going to take some time because you got about 9,000 change, right?
Mhm.
But here's the beauty of it. Every connection. So kind of like how you and I operate, right? So, I got connected to you through Adele. We
Yeah.
started building our relationship. We started communicating through
Mhm.
LinkedIn, and that's what prompted us to get here. Every time you engage someone, it enhances or strengthens that connection to the point where they could be a potential client of yours in one of your ventures, or they may bring you in to do some work to enhance your visibility, or you could potentially do some work with them. So the key to this LinkedIn thing is how strong is your communication with your connections so you can remain top of mind.